I want to start making a video on how difficult it is to see out your windshield in the rain without enhancements on such. Okay, I got a green light. Now watch as I go forward with this before I turn back on the wipers, and how impossible it is to see. I can't see anything at all. Turn them on, I can kind of see it. Go forward and try to turn it back off again as I'm going. How hard, if not impossible, it is to pull it off. This is in New Jersey during a bad rain, third day of a bad rainstorm of a hurricane. It's like late August. Okay, safe to the middle lane. Gotta watch out for the truck. Okay. Try to, how bad this is. This is unseeable. This is crazy. Disaster waiting to happen. Okay, turn it back on. Maybe I'll try to make an edit on that video and cut and paste. For what I'm trying to show, the most effective use of cleaning and products for a car.